Down to the river, the sun and father, the boiling water is giving me chills. Floating limp and happy, rolling up to the flat stone. Such a funny feeling holds me like I'm home. Sandals down cold trail, mud between my toes, rain down my white shirt is giving me chills. Streams of water running, ripples of my mind, letting it all flow past me, looking up at the sky. Dark night hawks flying overhead, lose myself to the vacancy of the sky. Dark night hawks flying overhead, let me stay in this memory.